Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug. It's a Friday shave. I'm bordering running late. Depends how long this shave goes. Today I'm going to shave again with my second last fuzzy face soaps. And this is Napoleon. I can't remember anything about the scent profile. It does smell nice. I just can't break it down. I usually need a bit of help with that, with what's on the back. But it smells nice. I believe from memory it was, rip-off is the wrong word, but it was based after, it may have been one of the Creed, maybe Creed Aventus. That's the sort of memory I have about this. So, yeah, it's nice smelling. You can't buy it anymore, unfortunately. But that's life. And we roll on. And we pulled out the Old Faithful. So I hope you all had a good week. You enjoyed the first of my USA unboxings. I think I got about half a dozen videos from that one unboxing. I'd also like to say thank you to all the new subscribers that have come on board. I appreciate that greatly. And I hope you enjoy my content along the way. And please jump into the forums if you feel the need to, say hello or correct me on something I've got wrong. Or just join in the conversation. Tell me if you've got some Gillettes or vintage razors that you're collecting. Let me know. I'm always happy to chat about your razor collection. Or soaps or brushes. I was going to say the vintage collecting rabbit hole is deep and vast, but then I look at some of the other channels that don't deal in vintage razors and their rabbit hole seems just as deep. No one seems to have one or two current or new razors. They have a stable of them. Same goes with brushes. So we've got the long weekend coming up here, and definitely in South Australia. I think it's nationwide, I believe so. Daylight saving starts on Sunday. So when does it end in England? The mighty Seagulls play their first game this weekend against Liverpool. Under our new manager. Whose name escapes me for the time being, but he seems like he's quality goods, to be honest with you. When Graham Potter jumped ship, I was like, oh no, all this hard work, and we're sitting in fourth and now we're just going to tumble down. But I like the cut of this new bloke's jib. He was recently coaching or managing a Ukrainian team. I can't think of its name. I'm not good with these names. So, but I know they were playing Champions League. They're a big club in the Ukraine, probably the biggest club. As you can see here, this soap makes a lovely lather. I probably could have worked it a bit more, but time is of the essence. So I will put a link. I'll check to see if he's still got any more soaps on there. I know we had some unscented soaps that were still available, so if that is of interest to you, I say go for it, because you will get a good lather out of this stuff. And he did drop the pricing. So anyway, when the war broke out, the unfortunate war that the world is sitting by and hoping someone doesn't do something stupid, the team he was coaching, look, I can sort of see the team's name in my head, but if I try and pronounce it, you're all going to be giggling. Oh, God. So uneducated dog. But this bloke, because they had a lot of international players in the side, he had the opportunity to leave early, but refused to, and didn't leave until all his international players had left the country first. That to me says the man's got a bit of character. He also was offered the job with a top Serie A team, which I can't remember what team that was, but it's one of the big ones there. I don't think it was Juventus. Because their manager has got leukemia and he got sick again for the second time and was offered the job but refused it because he just morally felt it was wrong for him to take the job. I think he's sort of friends with the manager there as well, so I like that. I think in a couple of weeks' time, 2 or 3, sometime during this next month, the month of October, Brighton plays Chelsea. God, I hope we win. I want to win it. Plenty of time. Could be on world record pace here. You follow horse racing, the great Australian horse, Very Elegant, couldn't get into the arc. It was given to a French trainer to look after, and he can I say this? He ballsed it up. He ballsed it up. The horse has got a really high, or had a really high rating. So the laws in France, the laws of racing, is that once a horse has 2 starts, it is then seen as a French-owned horse or a French horse and comes under their rating system. And because it's 2 starts, it ran 3rd in the 2nd start, which showed, yeah, I'm getting there. But the first start was a flop. Yeah. Would have loved to have seen it run, to be honest with you. Because they would have seen the real Very Elegant, I think. So, such as horse racing. It's all hotting up. My mate's horse is definitely going to be running on Cox Plate Day. I can't think of the name of the race. It's a listed race for fillies, and mares. It's a nice little race. So I'll be definitely there for that. Travelling over to Melbourne. I will do a shave there. I've got a, I think I've mentioned it, a hotel room with a balcony on Lygon Street in Carlton. So when I'm there, I'll check it out. See if it's appropriate to do a shave from the balcony. Okay, so a very nice shave in the end. A few little nicks, but BBS got it right under the neck here. Always the trouble spot. I think that is for most fellas. Let's just show you this one more time. As I said, I'm pretty sure it's just shows appreciation for Creed Aventus. That's the scent they've based it after. I don't own Aventus. I know a lot of people do. A lot of people love it. So I just assume this is what it is from memory, and it does smell nice. It smells very pleasant. And yeah, worthy of buying. So we're going to go down a different track with my aftershave. Going with the Zaharoff Rose. Obviously it smells of roses. It's a lovely, it's a mix of rose, incense, and from memory sandalwood. So it's got not a girly rose scent to it, but it's got that mix of the rose and the incense, and then it gets a creamy note to it, and I'm pretty sure that is from the sandalwood. Really nice scent. I enjoy it, to be honest with you. There's a little bit of sting. Alcohol's not too pronounced in this one. Got a hair there. Can't be mine, surely. Just a lovely scent. Beautiful spring day here. Picked up a couple of extra hours. I was only rostered on for 3 and now I've got 5. So I'm happy with that. I'll take the money and run, but be nice to just be able to kick back a bit longer during the day here in the afternoon here. But such is life. Beggars can't be choosers. All right, I've got plenty of time left, but I won't try and waffle on. As I said, I'll leave a link in the description to see if there's any more fuzzy face soaps for sale. I may even leave a link here for the Zaharoff Rose. That's just worth buying just for the soap and the splash itself. Just pleasant. It's not punching you on the face. It's good. Okay, enjoy your weekend. For all you Aussies out there, get the long weekend started. If you're lucky, you were able to pull a sickie today and you've got a 4-day long weekend and you're off doing a bit of camping or just getting away somewhere for a few days. And otherwise, good weather hopefully for barbecue, especially here in SA. I don't know about anywhere else in the country. I know the East Coast seeing a lot of rain. And if you can't do a barbie, get out, get to a restaurant, have a good meal. Okay, people, I will come back to you on Monday with another shave. Okay, until then, ciao for now.